Hello, trading has closed on March 21st, 2021. We always begin with our disclaimer. This is my plan for tomorrow, March the 30th, 2021. I can be completely wrong. Any trades are at your own risk. Please follow the rules of my channel, and here's my email. Look for the pattern with the early low. This is it, and tomorrow also has the early low. Had a few predictions. We said the strong rally should carry through at Monday's open, but it's short-term negative if it didn't. But any gap down, should it occur, would need to be filled at some point. We're also looking for 4,030.34 to print at some time. Well, we did gap down. We gapped down. But this was a hole in the wall, and the gap did fill at some time. We had something called a page 120 sell signal when I devised the rules 19 years ago. Was close to a 1% move, 8 to 10 points. And this was close to a 1% move, 35 points. Whether or not I should change the rules to be in terms of percent, I don't really know, because the signal doesn't really print that often. It would take a long time until I would know if that should be changed. Now this is the FOMC price, 39.4207. Kind of is a dividing line between the market rallying and the market dropping. Stayed on top of the line just as it stayed under it here. This is usually a rally day with a high in the final hour. It was. And usually it'll close near its high. That didn't happen. In fact, even though we hit a new all-time high, we closed under all these prior highs, even under yesterday's high. So an all-time high with a negative day tends to lead to lower prices tomorrow. Doesn't really guarantee a lower close, though. And if we gap and take out this high early, all that goes away. So let's take a look and see what MEJT had to say during the day. We got an ultimate sell signal early on. Got the minimum, then we got more than the minimum. MEJT said this drop was false, wouldn't stick, so this rally wouldn't stick, so this drop wouldn't stick, and they've all played out. Here was our sell signal. It certainly worked. So how about tomorrow? Tomorrow's pattern has really low. We could gap up. We're looking for a rally over 40.30 at some point. That doesn't tell us about tomorrow's trade, though. Have a steep early drop, failure to close over multiple highs, and negative close in a day with an all-time high. All of them argue for lower prices printing tomorrow. That doesn't guarantee we close down, though. I do have personal business till the end of the month. Can't spend as much time as I'd like to analyze things. Probably won't have a video tomorrow. Just remember, as far as these lower prices go, we gap and take these high out. That's off the table. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. But otherwise, we should have a drop at some point, even if we don't close down. Tomorrow has really low, and that's today's call.